again, Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani's Boutique? It's of course the beautiful festive collections, and right now I'm going to show pure handloom silk saree for this Diwali and for your marriage functions, wedding anniversaries. These sarees are so good and so sweet. My first saree is this, such a beautiful self-designed saree, and the matching is so amazing. I have a surprise inside. See the matching, it's so pretty matching. Love this matching. This saree is so soft, and these are all like a pure handloom silk saree, and what to say, the flow is so amazing. Right from morning till night you can wear the saree. The saree is very light and very friendly also. So this is such a beautiful saree, and my next saree is this very nice bright yellow color, and the saree as such is very pretty. See the saree, which saree is not pretty? All the sarees are so good. I mix and match certain color combinations while designing, while designing the blouses and everything. And the saree as such you can wear, and it's so good, and the color is so brilliant. And this is the blouse for this. See this, my second concept in raindrop. Last time you saw a different raindrop, now it is a different raindrop. It's a violet color, purplish violet color, and see this is a subtle pallu with a beautiful contrast matching blouse. Whoever is looking for handloom silk saree, Shivani Boutique is the best destination for you guys. And I thank all my super duper clients who are traveling from Rajapalayam, Madurai, Theni. In and around, it's really 2 hours journey. I really wonder how people are really crazy for wearing good beautiful stuff. It shows their interest, and thank you all my beauties for appreciating us and for supporting us. And this is the see, the color combination is so brilliant in the saree. It's like love at first sight saree. And see this saree, it's so pretty. It's a pinkish color. How many pinks we have? We used to grab the pinks, especially at my offline clients. I have seen lots of people, oh Hema, I have pink. Don't show me pink, you show me some other colors, then I'll show some other colors, and finally they will end up with pink. So the pink is like that. See this purple color saree, it's a silk saree. Silk sarees are also very good. It depends upon the mood and where we are going, how we want to wear. So all the choices are yours, however you want to do. That's what I'm showing, different taste of different color combinations. Some will be loud, some will be light, some will be sober, some like subtle. So without jari, without border, with border. Now so many are asking for with borders. How beautiful the saree is. The color combination is so nice. It's very new, nice. And the concept and the weaving, everything is very pretty. See the color combination, it's a shaded one. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link, which will straight away leads to you to that page. And see the saree, it's so nice. Such a nice saree. Handloom silk sarees, these are all pure handloom silk sarees, so that it will listen to you right from morning till night. You can wear this saree because the stuff is like that. My brilliant black, so beautiful it is. How well it goes with it. See the color matching is so brilliant in this. See this, such a brilliant saree. You see this motif, and also this motifs. All are motifs, different weaving patterns. So in close-up shot you can see the photographs and everything. I'm showing all different colors with new different color combinations. Alright guys, see this so nice and amazing. The sari is colored and everything. See, this is with a light purplish shade with a navy blue color matching. How well beautiful the saris are. See this concept. It's a traditional sari for our jewelry. It works out really excellent if you want to go for a jimkis and RMs. And see how beautiful the traditional, such a traditional sari. It's so nice. And one more concept of the same concept, little bit of color difference I have. Vertical lines are now in trend, but these saris, these traditional saris will never outdate. Always it remains evergreen sari in your wardrobe. Like whenever you want, you can tie the sari as such. This is the blouse part for this. Once again with this vertical border, a purple color, super duper color. See, the sari is so nice. And see this. This is the sari. How it looks. Purples are the colors of queens and princes, prince, and everybody, even for us. See this. So that is how it is. And my last sari is this. It's a beautiful checked concept, and here and there are motifs, peacock motifs and round motifs, and the color combination is so nice. These are such a dreamy colors sari. Whenever I open the sari, you guys can understand how well the sari flow is, and it's all very very lightweight and easy maintenance. No, it is not easy maintenance. It's lightweight and easily wearable, very very friendly. Just like that, you can tie the sari and go for your function. Hope you enjoyed seeing my collections with lots and lots of colors and brilliant different designs. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link, which will straight away lead to you to that page. We'll be meeting you soon with lots and lots of festive collections. Stay tuned with Shivani's Boutique. Stay safe and bye bye.